Hey there, welcome back to the HSY-Python channel. I'm your instructor, Himanshu, and today we're diving into one of the fundamental concepts in Python programming, variables. If you're just starting out with coding, this is the perfect place to begin. Don't worry if it sounds a bit technical, I'm here to break it down into simple terms for you. What are variables? Alright, let's start with the basics. Imagine variables as containers that can hold different types of information. Think of them like labeled boxes where you can store numbers, text, or anything you want. These boxes make it super easy for your Python programs to remember and use values. Naming variables. Now, how do we create these containers? Well, first, we need to give them a name. Just like you have a name, variables also need unique names. But there are some rules. Names can't start with numbers, and they can only have letters, numbers, or underscores. Also, Python is case sensitive, so myvar and myvar are different names. Storing different types of data. Variables can hold different types of data. For example, you can use a variable to store a number like your age or the score in a game. We call these types of data integers or floats. You can also store words, sentences, or any text using variables, which we call strings. Assigning values. Let's get practical. To put a value inside a variable, we use the equals sign. This is called assignment. For instance, if you have a variable named my_age, you can assign your age to it like this, my_age equals 25. Now, every time you use my_age in your code, Python knows it stands for 25. Reusing variables. The beauty of variables is that you can change their values anytime. Say you have a variable score initially set to 0. As you play a game and score points, you can update it by saying score equals score plus 10. Python takes the old value of score, adds 10, and stores the result back in score. Using variables and strings. Variables are super handy when it comes to making sentences. Let's say you have a variable name with your name in it. You can create a custom message like, hello, my name is plus name. Python combines the text and the value of name to make a complete sentence. And there you have it. A quick rundown on variables in Python. Remember, variables are like those labeled boxes that keep your data organized and ready to use. In the next video, we'll explore more exciting Python concepts. So, keep practicing and don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comments below. Happy coding, and see you next time on HSY Python.